Hi guys, this is Nikhil Chawla from the Unbiased blog, and today we're going to unbox two new products from OPPO's Enco series of audio products. We have the OPPO Enco W31 true wireless headphones and the neckband style OPPO Enco M31 wireless headphones. So let's first unbox the W31 true wireless headphones and see what comes in the box. And while we are unboxing, we'll also talk about its features and specifications. Enco W31 supports high quality AAC audio format and comes with a 7mm dynamic driver. This ensures that these headphones can deliver thumping bass while not compromising on mids and the highs. By default, the Enco W31 offers balanced high-fidelity sound in balance mode. But you also get a dedicated bass mode to crank up the lows, just what you would need when you're in the mood for some EDM. Enco W31 has some incredible features that include binaural low-latency Bluetooth transmission, dedicated bass mode, dual microphone noise cancellation for calls, and wearing detection that automatically plays and pauses. In the box, you get the Enco W31 headset, Type-C charging cable, extra silicone ear tips, manual and warranty booklet. Enco W31 comes in a geometric round casing. The whole package just weighs 50 grams and is perfect for carrying around. And if you're still not convinced, the W31 headphones are also IP54 rated, so you don't have to worry about dust or splashes, making them the perfect headphones for outdoor activities and indoor workouts alike. The Enco W31 are definitely the most exciting two wireless headphones to have launched in India. They have a premium design, superb sound fidelity with dynamic bass, high quality signal transmission with low latency experience, great voice calling experience, 15 hours of battery life and an IP54 rating. But what truly sets them apart is that OPPO has managed to price these headphones at just Rs 3,999. For the first time, you're getting a pair of true wireless headphones which deliver premium, no compromise wireless sound experience under 5K. And at that price, there's absolutely no doubt that the W31 headphones are just going to take the Indian market by storm. If you've been looking for your first pair of true wireless headphones, look no further. Now let's unbox the M31 true wireless headphones and see what comes in the box. Enco M31 wireless headphones offer a lot of features like high resolution wireless audio, a dedicated bass mode, 12 hours of playback and IPX water resistance, along with the convenience of a neckband so you don't have to worry about losing or dropping your headphones while working out. Featuring LDAC audio coding technology, the Enco M31 delivers audio transmission speeds up to 990 kbps, clocking out data speeds up to 3 times higher than other Bluetooth technologies. Enco M31 comes with 9.2mm dynamic drivers and certified high-res wireless audio for clear and vivid audio. Priced at only Rs 1,999, the M31 is a must-buy wireless headphone if you always wanted one. In the box, you get the Enco M31 headset, Type-C charging cable, extra silicone ear tips, manual and warranty booklet. They too come with AI-powered noise reduction and feature magnetic tips on the wireless headphones so that you can just bring them together to disconnect and separate out to instantly reconnect with your device. So that was our unboxing of the OPPO's Enco W31 and M31 wireless audio products. Please do like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. And do take part in our giveaway. Thanks for watching the Unbiased blog.